next season we are going to play more competition, and not just play. We are Chelsea. We don't participate. We win. We play. We participate, and at the end we win. Chelsea, we don't play finals. We win finals. So any competition Chelsea we are going in for, we are going to win it, not to butter. No, like our brothers there. We are not bottlers. I can tell you thousands and thousands of reasons why we need Xavi Simon and Hato. Let me just give you some few reasons, because we can't give all the thousands in this video. This video will be long till next morning. So the first reason why Chelsea wants Xavi Simon, guys. See, Xavi Simon is a versatile player. He can play as attacking midfield. He can play as a left wing and right wing. And sometimes in football, we have another position called right midfielder and left midfielder. He can also play in those, yes, into the midfield position, that pocketed into the midfield position. Yes. So when this guy comes to Chelsea, in case we don't have any of our attackers available, he can withstand or he can replace them. I'm telling you. In case we don't have Neto, in case we don't have Estavio, in case Gittins is not there, in case any of our wingers, because of his versatility nature, Xavi Simon is good to go. Xavi Simon will be a super replacement, I'm telling you, and a super sub. So this is the first reason why Chelsea want to sign Xavi Simon. And the second reason why is Cole Palmer. This season we saw it. Some games Cole Palmer will be tired. He needs a substitute. And nobody is there to take over from Cole Palmer. So Chelsea signing Xavi Simon, Chelsea bringing Xavi Simon, he will come and help Cole Palmer. Yes, he will come and be a better replacement for Cole Palmer. Yes, when the season begins, we are going to play FA Cup, Carabao Cup. Yes, in the beginning, some of us, we don't expect Cole Palmer to play those games. Yes, the initial stage, the first games in the FA Cup, yes, and the Carabao Cup, we need players like Xavi Simon, who can still be in Chelsea, yes, starting 11, and the competition still maintain, yes, and the highest quality performance football still maintain. Having a good player like Xavi Simon, if Cole Palmer is not there, he can go in and still play like we have Cole Palmer. I'm telling you. So this is another reason why Chelsea must sign Xavi Simon, or Chelsea want to sign Xavi Simon, because of him being a good replacement for Cole Palmer. And another reason why Chelsea want to sign Xavi Simon, guys, squad depth. Squad depth. Next season, we are going to play more competition. And not just play. We are Chelsea. We don't participate. We win. We play, we participate, and at the end, we win. Chelsea, we don't play finals. We win finals. So any competition Chelsea we are going in for, we are going to win it. Not to butter. No, like our brothers there. We are not bottlers. So for that matter, Chelsea signing Xavi Simon, he will bring that squad depth. Yes, that in case we are going to play FA Cup, Carabao Cup, Champions League. Yes, any tournament we are going to play next season. Yes, we will not be using one squad to play in all tournaments. Yes, they are players. They are human beings. They are not robots. Yes, if one player or same batch are going to be playing all the tournament, it will come to a time that they will become tired. So having Xavi Simon, it will bring that squad depth and add that squad depth into Chelsea team. Yes, so that any time that we are playing different competition, we can change the players. We can, yes, at least change at least 5 players, yes, and still go ahead and win the game. So guys, these are the reason why Chelsea want to sign Xavi Simon. Yes, and for Hato there, another young talented defender, 19 years of age, he still have years future ahead of him. And even one thing I like about these defenders, if they come and can't pick it, or at the end doesn't pick it at their first season, they still have years ahead of them. Yes, to adapt to the Premier League intensity. And Hato, Liverpool is also chasing him, guys. Liverpool want to sign him, I'm telling you. But at the end, it is looking like the guy want to join Chelsea, or he want to come to Chelsea. And Hato is not a bad player, talented player. I like his mind reading, Thiago Silva caliber of defending. He's not using that much power. He is reading the game, timing the attacker, timing the striker. So this guy is a good player, and he will be a good signing. The issue was to be that he is a young player. Yes, 19 years of age. But for me, what is now giving me the hope and the belief is that currently our squad, yes, they are mature. Yes, currently the chemistry is there. So even if we bring young players who are talented, they will survive. I'm telling you. Currently, if Liverpool and Tosin is playing, you can see the chemistry, you can see the combo and the understanding. Be it Liverpool and Chiluba, any of our defenders, now you can see, yes, the chemistry. So no fear again. If Hato come, he can adapt well. He will learn from the likes of Chiluba, Tosin and co, Liverpool and co. So guys, for Hato also, this is the reason why I also want to sign him. Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about all this signing.